everybody, welcome back to social class. In the previous class we have learned about clothes we wear. Clothes we wear. About why do we wear clothes and what type of clothes we wear in different seasons. Today in this class we are going to learn about clothes and occasion. What type of clothes we wear to some occasions, to a particular occasion. To parties. We wear dressy clothes to parties. We wear dressy clothes to parties. Example, long frock, gowns, jackets, etc. or some dressy clothes. These clothes are also called as party wear clothes. These clothes are also called as party wear clothes. So when we go to a parties, we wear ordinary clothes? No, we wear what? Party wear clothes. That is long frock, gowns, jackets or some example for party wear clothes. The next is to weddings. We wear ceremonial clothes to weddings. We wear ceremonial clothes to weddings. So when we go to a wedding, that is marriage. So we wear very beautiful dress, very attractive dress. That is called ceremonial dress. Example, lehenga, suit and sherwanis are some example for ceremonial clothes. Now let us know what type of clothes we wear at home. What type of clothes we wear at home when we are in the house. So when we are in the house, we wear very grand dress, that is ceremonial dress, party wear dress. No, at home we wear casual and comfortable clothes. At home we wear casual and comfortable clothes. Example, t-shirt, jeans, shorts, frocks, kurtas, pyjamas are some comfortable clothes. Now let us learn about uniform. Uniform. Children, you all wear uniform? Yes. So when you are going to wear uniform? Yes, when you go to a school. When you go to a school, you wear uniform. Uniform shows that we all are equal. Uniform shows that we all are equal. So we all wear the same kind of dress. What is that? Uniform. So let us know what is uniform. Uniform are the special kind of clothes we wear according to the job. So uniform are the special clothes owned by people who do special job. Who do special job. Example, doctor, postman, policeman, soldier, lawyer, etc. So uniform is owned by the people who do special job. Uniform shows that we all are equal. By seeing the uniform, we can identify what type of job they do. We can identify their job. So when you go to a doctor, you can see that doctor will be wearing a white coat. By this we can identify that he is a doctor. So like this, according to their place of work, they wear their uniform. I hope you all have understood. Thank you.